and welcome to You. I'm the Budget Boss, and today we are going to be talking about the child tax credit. Now, the tax season is officially here, and the IRS is open for filing your returns, but we have something brewing on the table that we need to talk about, and that is the child tax credit. So, there is a bill that is being worked in Congress and all of that, and it is going to have a major, or could possibly have a major impact on the families that file their taxes and claim the child tax credit. So currently with the child tax credit, it is a $2,000 per qualifying child under the age of 17, and for those with a modified adjusted income of $200K for our single people and $400K for our married couples. This is a great benefit for our taxes, and this tax credit gives a beautiful boost to our tax refund. And also with the current way it's set up, there's $1,600 worth of that is refundable through the additional child tax credit. So now we want to talk about what could be the potential changes to this child tax credit if this tax bill passes. We have some information here that we're going to go through. So there is a $78 billion bipartisan tax bill on the table that will have a great benefit for our families. It also will have some benefits for companies and provide some tax credits for them as well, because it's bipartisan, meaning there's two people trying to make a deal here and they both want what they want. There's going to be benefits to different individuals depending on what kind of tax situation you're in. With this new tax bill, the child tax credit could have a potential average tax cut of $680. So that's the average that people could see for those that have qualifying children and are able to file and claim this tax credit. And one of the most beautiful things about this tax credit is that it is retroactive, meaning that it is going to apply to the 2023 tax return. So now we are in that season of filing our 2023 taxes, so it would apply to that tax return if this does go through. So that is crucial for us to know, because some people are asking, should I file my return? Should I not file my return? It is always going to be your decision in your specific situation. What you need to do, if you need your funds and you need to get your tax return filed, then you would make that decision to do it. If you're in a position where you can wait, you can make that decision to wait. However, no matter what, it will take time for this process to go, because even if it passes, then all of the tax systems will have to be updated with these new requirements. So that takes a little bit of time to get everything up and running, so that when tax professionals, when we file the tax return for our clients, the information is ready in the system and able to calculate the proper calculations for whatever that tax bill says. So let's talk about what else we could expect from the new child tax credit. If it's enacted, here are some of the changes that they are saying we could expect with this child tax credit. So we have the refundable portion of the child tax credit would increase to $1,800 for the 2023 tax year, and for 2024 it will be $1,900, and for 2025 it will be $2,000, which is their adjustments for inflation. So these new calculations would also expand access to the tax credit. Now, currently, low earners that have little to no tax liability miss out on a lot of this credit. So it's kind of might be misproportioned in how many people have access to the credit. So this new calculation is going to help to boost more families and provide relief for more families. So this is a blessing. Also, with the new formula, looks like it will be on a per child basis, allowing families to use the same formula and then multiply it times the qualifying children. So it's going to give a beautiful financial boost to those that qualify for this tax credit. So we are going to keep an eye on this, because it is very important for our tax season, right? And we want to make sure that we are fueled with the right information and educated to make the best decisions for our families and for our situations. So stay tuned to get the information as it comes out about this child tax credit so that you can make the best decisions for you and your family. So I hope this information is helpful. We're going to stay glued and make sure we know what is going on with this child tax credit. Also, I think you might want to head over and watch our Maximize Your Refund video so that once you get your return, you have some strategies in place on how to maximize that return for you and for your family. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and join our community of money masters and budget bosses, and say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. I'll see you later.